If your traction control, ABS, and brake lights are on, or flashing, don't worry, most of the time you can fix this yourself. First, if the lights just came on, try a simple reset. Turn your car off completely, wait a few minutes, then start it again. Sometimes the system just needs a little brake, and the lights disappear on their own. If that doesn't work, check your brake fluid. If it's low, top it up slowly, don't overfill, and make sure the cap is secure. Low fluid is one of the most common reasons these lights come on, and it's an easy fix. Next, check the ABS sensors and wiring near each wheel. Dirt, mud, or moisture can cause the sensors to misread, and loose connections can trigger the lights. Clean the sensors gently, reconnect any loose wires, and the system often resets itself. Also, check your wheel speed sensors. Sometimes a little rust or buildup on the sensor ring can confuse the system. A quick clean with a soft brush can make a big difference, and make sure the sensor is properly aligned. Your tires can play a role too. If one tire is underinflated or has uneven wear, it can affect the traction system. Make sure all tires are properly inflated, and check for obvious damage. Don't forget the battery and alternator. If your battery is weak, or the alternator isn't charging correctly, your car's systems can throw warning lights. Clean the terminals, make sure connections are tight, and if possible, check the voltage with a basic multimeter. Sometimes it's just a stuck brake caliper or uneven brake pads. If your brakes are binding, it can trigger the warning lights. Check for stuck calipers, and make sure the pads move freely. Another trick is to disconnect the car battery for a few minutes. This can act as a system-wide reset, and in many cases, clears persistent warning lights. Just remember, radio presets and clock settings will reset too. And one more, if your car has aftermarket electronics, like a new stereo or alarm, make sure nothing is interfering with the sensors or wiring. Disconnecting those temporarily can help identify if they're causing the issue. After checking all these things, turn your car on again and watch the lights. If they go off, great. If they flash a bit, drive slowly for a short distance, the system can reset itself while you're moving. If the lights still stay on after trying all this, drop your car model in the comments, I'll tell you exactly where to look next.